Here at AMAST, we know that there are three elements needed in the construction industry: more knowledge, more support, and more accessibility. So we created AMAST Community. At AMAST.com, scroll down to the Community button. Here's what you'll find. 1. The AMAST Library. Articles, podcasts, and blogs to enrich your knowledge base, from management tools to COVID-19, all the way to the practical material choices for insulation. The AMAST team is constantly on the lookout for new material and innovation. If you are seeking more information about something particular, the AMAST Library is the place to find it. 2. AMAST Tutorials. On the tutorial side, we are adding dozens of videos, podcasts, and blogs about AMAST and the community so that your usage of AMAST becomes easier and simpler. You can find the tutorials here and also at the AMAST YouTube channel. 3. AMAST Bulletin Board. We need a Craigslist just for our industry, so AMAST created the classifieds. Now, looking for a job, hiring a project manager, selling a secondhand generator from a project you just finished, all the way to expediters and architects in your area, it's all in one place at the bulletin board. If you're looking for a particular item, you can use our handy search button at the top of the tutorials in the library. AMAST makes it easy and quick for you to find what you're looking for. We want to enrich you, support you, and connect you. We understand that our industry needs more than a strong community, so our community pages are open to anyone and everyone, free of charge. Welcome to AMAST.